How to log into the United Healthcare Provider portal and access your UHC Medicare account. Whether you're a healthcare provider or managing your Medicare account, this guide will help you get started. Let's dive right in. We'll start with logging into the United Healthcare Provider portal on the website. Open your web browser and go to uhcprovider.com. Now here click on sign in the top right corner. Now enter your username and password in the respective fields. If you don't have an account or need to reset your password, you can use the forgot username or forgot one healthcare ID. Click sign in to access your account. Once logged in, you'll be able to manage patient information, claims, and other provider resources. And that's it. Whether you're using for whether you're using for a healthcare provider or managing your Medicare account, this is a simple way to log into your United Healthcare Provider portal or UHC Medicare account. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.